We also extend our warm welcome to our Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor R.C. Bhatt, Coordinator of this ceremony, Professor Y.P. Dean Student Welfare, Professor M.S. Negi, Finance Officer, all Deans of various schools, Registrar, Proctor, Examination Controller, Wardens, Chief Hostel Wardens, Examination Controller, Director of Chauras, TD and Podi campuses, Convener of the various committees, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Northeast Hill University, and other representative of the Indian Himalayan Central Universities Consortium, all faculty members, dignitaries, invited guests, members of different committees of ceremony, employees, newly elected student leaders of all the three campuses, members of print and media, and not but not the least, our backbone of the university, our dear students. I welcome you all for the foundation day of the university. Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest of Honor and Honorable Vice Chancellor and all the respected dignitaries on dais to come forward for lighting of the lamp. Thank you everyone. अलकनंदा नदी के पावन तट पर अवस्थित मां भारती के इस प्रांगण में मेरा संगीत विभाग के छात्रों से स्वागत गीत हेतु निवेदन है।